Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric car jacks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 12 volts electric car jack 1.5 ton. Lifting a load up to 3,300 pounds, 1.5 ton will seem easy with this electric car jack. It's designed for use with different vehicles on the market and comes in a basic and straightforward design for easy use. The unit is well built to handle the weight, rough terrains, and works pretty fast. It runs on the car's 12 volts and just needs to be connected to the car's cigarette lighter. Although it can handle such as heavyweight, the unit is moderately light, weighing only 11 pounds. Moving on at number 4, we have the electric hydraulic jack. If you desire a heavy-duty electric car jack, then this well-built piece by ABN should be what you are looking for. It is designed for weights, loads up to 6,000 pounds, 3 tons, and will work with different types of vehicles. The unit will automatically lift the car with minimal human intervention and works faster than when doing it manually. The hydraulic piece is fit for sedans, hatchbacks, SUVs, light trucks and other vehicles and has a lifting range of 6 to 17.5 inches. Like other products, it also runs via 12 volts power sources. At number 3, we have the 12 volts electric scissor car jack. Lifting loads up to 5,500 pounds, 2.5 ton, is simple when using this electric scissor floor jack. It easily fits under most cars and stays firm thanks to its good engineering. This also prevents the car or the jack from accidentally moving. It runs via a 12 volts DC source and will work via the car's cigarette lighter. The heavy-duty unit will raise the vehicle in no time and doesn't seem to struggle courtesy of the powerful built-in motor. It features a long 12-foot cord for easy reach and is also simple to operate. At number 2, we have the 12 volts DC electric car floor jack. Changing the car tire is simple and effective with this electric car jack. It is ideal for small to medium-sized vehicles and can handle a weight of up to 3 tons. It's effortless to use even for a complete novice. All you do is place the jack on the recommended point under the car, plug in the power cord in the cigarette lighter socket, 12V, and activate the switch. In less than 60 seconds, the wheel should be up in the air waiting to be replaced. It's constructed from durable steel and chances of it giving in to the weight are unlikely. And finally at number 1, we have the heavy-duty 12 volts DC electric car jack. This electric car jack is well known for its good and effective lifting capacity. It will raise a load as heavy as 9,900 pounds, 4.5 tons, easily and safely. You only need to hook it up to a 12 volts DC source, preferably the car cigarette lighter to initiate the lifting. And within a minute, the wheel will be up in the air ready for changing. The heavy-duty metal construction will keep the unit and the vehicle steady, whereas the good lifting range of 8.6 to 20.5 inches makes it useful for different vehicles. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.